Shenzhen Smile Lighting Company Limited is an ISO 9001 certified manufacturer of LED lighting fixtures, located in Shenzhen, China, with convenient transportation. We focus on the research, development, production, sales, and service of LED strip lights, LED neon lights, LED modules, and LED night lights for indoor and outdoor lighting are our featured products. Our monthly production capacity can reach 60 million meters of LED strip lights and 10 million meters of LED neon lights. As a professional manufacturer, we have a series of automatic machines, including fully automatic Sanyo SMT mounters, reflow soldering machines, automatic glue pouring machines, automatic welding machines, automatic screw machines, and blister sealing machines. And there are a series of modern testing instruments, such as high and low temperature detectors, integrating sphere testers, vibration testers, salt spray testers, etc. We are dedicated to strict quality control, insisting on 100% full inspection and 12 hours of product aging time. You can easily find our products in Canada, the United States, and Germany, etc., especially in supermarkets and chain retail stores. Nice products and packaging will help you better attract and retain customers. Customer satisfaction is our constant pursuit. We always believe that there are no capacious customers, only faulty products. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders.